Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing a current backup and laying out a small toolkit so nothing distracts you. Once done, power off the phone, eject the SIM, and inspect for obvious damage. This avoids data loss and prevents further harm. Next, reproduce the fault briefly. Try a force restart and plug into power to see charging response. Make sure to note exact symptoms, because you'll follow different paths for software versus hardware faults. This first triage speeds the whole repair. Now you move into diagnosis and the hands-on repair steps. If a software restore is needed, put the iPhone into recovery or DFU mode and restore via Finder or iTunes. This fixes corrupt firmware. If hardware is the issue, open the device carefully, inspect the battery, display connectors, and logic board for damage, and replace only the failing part. Make sure to label screws and follow torque feel. Improper reassembly causes new problems, so proceed methodically and calmly. To finish, reassemble in reverse order while verifying each connector seats cleanly so you don't trap a cable. Once closed, charge the phone to at least 20%, then boot and run a systematic test of touchscreen, cameras, speakers, sensors, cellular, and Wi-Fi. If everything works, restore your backup and monitor for intermittent problems. If something still fails, one key troubleshooting tip. Isolate whether it's software by restoring in DFU mode or hardware by swapping a known.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.